How to track your McDonald's delivery in real time. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily track your McDonald's delivery in real time. So first thing first, just open up your McDonald's application and ensure you have the latest version of app installed on your device. Now simply go to your My Orders or Orders History in section in the app from the bottom right corner, and then just locate your order. And once you're inside your order, just find the specific order that you want to track and tap on it to view its details. And to check your order status, you will see the current status of your order, such as order received or rider assigned or out for a delivery. So if available, there will be an option to track the delivery in real time, showing the rider's location and estimated arrival time. Or the app will also send you the notification about your status of your order, including when it's confirmed, out for delivery, and delivered. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.